Mom, what are you cooking today? Mom, what are you cooking today? I'm cooking chicken curry today. It smells so delicious. Really, my daughter. I'm already hungry. Wait a little longer. Mom, what else do you need? Can you slice the onions for me? Who likes this dish? Both Dad and you like it. Your cooking is always delicious. Thank you, my daughter. Will you make it spicy today? It will be a little spicy. I like spicy food. I also made soup. What soup is it? Now I really want to eat. The rice is also hot and fresh. Mom, are you tired? No, I'm not tired. It's easier because you help me. I also want to learn cooking. I will teach you. How do you cook the chicken? First, you fry the ingredients in oil. Then you add spices. I'll remember that. Try cooking next time. Yes, Mom. Stir the pot for me now, like this. Yes, just like that. You are really good at cooking. I've been cooking for many years. Are you happy cooking at home? I'm happy cooking for my family. I'm happy the family can eat together today. All right, let's eat. Mom's cooking is very delicious.